So, for those of you that follow me on the Instagram, you know that I have a ballot alternator. So I kind of rigged it a little bit, and it's charging again, so I'm driving the car. The new alternator doesn't get here until Wednesday. So, yeah, I wasn't going to waste this beautiful weather. Windows and in the front. So anyways, this is what we're working on today. I'm over there. Damian Scranky's over here. Why are you wearing a runner jacket?
Because I want to.
He's such a morning person.
When I go to bed at 4:30 in the morning. Not so much.
So this is Doug. Doug, this is the channel. And yeah. Wow.
When we say Doug and Scott,
this is Doug. We're not the same person. Dude.
Alright, we're gonna monkey around some cars here, fellas.
Safety is a big deal here.
A little bit more so we don't fall. That's good.
Hold on a second. What did you just say?
So Amelia doesn't fall. More so we don't fall.
Oh, so no. So we
pansy.
don't fall.
Yeah, we should have back. Now that I think about it. We're going to be doing all the work over the engine, right?
Yeah. Well, in the engine bay, yeah. Although his hood opens backwards, so we'll be working on the sides of the car.
You can put that in kit next to it.
Oh God.
You want a 250 shot on it?
Jeez. There you go.
Push
That help
the
you?
bolt all the way through. Thank you.
Come on, Damien, you got it.
No, we don't.
Oh shit! I can see your face.
It's pretty, isn't it? Oh, there's the washer. Don't twist it. Just keep it through. All right, now twist it.
Got it?
I don't know. Yeah.
All right, now do the other one.
There's literally no room here.
Mm-hmm. Now do the other one.
There's no second washer.
Should be in there.
Oh, there it is. What about the nut?
Hold on.
Oh wait, I found it. No wait, that's a locked nut. There's just a bunch of random shit on the floor in here. Yeah, there's a bunch. There's like 4 or 5 more in here. All right. Do you have the other nut up there?
It's up there. Hold on.
It's on the engine. It's on the intake manifold.
I just gave it to you.
Where's the
Ready?
other one? Thank you. Just wait till I come back up and punch.
I need my spreader.
What about the can that's on the floor, dick?
I don't want to spill it.
Like you leave shit all over my place.
That's your free labor fee.
Yeah, okay.
All right, let me know. I can see your fingers now.
Great, I'm happy for you.
So I'm trying to spin it for you.
Go ahead.
There you go. Get it. Get it, Damien. You got it.
That's it.
All right. So, anyways, I should have recorded us cutting that hole because it was kind of a. He's like, nope. Because it took 3 of us to get it
I was
going.
not involved in any of that cutting.
It was
at
your
all.
idea.
It was your idea.
Anyway, so we got a pretty square hole. He's finishing up the edges now. The nozzle is gonna kind of stick through there. And yeah, So over here, we're trying to locate this.
Damien's other idea.
Yeah, look. We're trying to. Hold on, actually, I'll let him finish that. So, anyways, we went from brakes to nitrous. Here's the plates. He's actually.
We went from Emilio's ADD, where he's like, I gotta do this over here, 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 to calm down and let's start on one thing.
So, nitrous plate. So he got this really nice nitrous express plate here. I thought it was gonna be like the one with the copper tooth, but no. Actually, you got like the super nice one. I guess it's like a new model because I haven't seen these before. I've seen the ones with the perimeter plate, but he's got a dual plane. So Engine Master proved that it works.
It was literally right here.
I'm gonna put some like circus music to this while you look for the tools.
My fingers are gonna wear out from flicking you off so much.
So he just admitted that he wants me to drive my car with the bad alternator
I'll give you the
so he
alternator.
can work my car.
I'll give you the alternator off kit. It'll fit.
Will it fit?
Fuck yeah, it's that body. Let's go.
Anyway,
Kirkwood Highway
So-
Grudge match. It's on, motherfucker.
so we're opening this up to create the man. What is it called? This has a name.
Plenum.
No, the spacing. But anyways, we're adding the spacing to the car, to the intake actually, because it's a very light car, as you can obviously
Just so
tell.
everyone knows, I'm totally against this.
But anyways, so
I want to go on record saying
It's official.
I've got nothing to do with this.
So anyways, we're adding that. We're kind of finishing it off right now. We have some rags stuffed in the runners. That way we don't get shit in there. Then we're going to vacuum it out, get it out, put the plate, put the carburetor, and start running lines. So, yeah. Damien admitted that he needed my car to be limping to beat it.
It's Saturday right now. By the time this project's done, it'll be Sunday of next week. Because, like, you're driving me crazy, dude. You heard me. You're driving me fucking nuts. We need a new fuel filter that's not glass. We need Emilio to stop recording because he's a pain in the ass when he's recording and not doing anything else.
Let's skip the fuel filter altogether.
Yeah, just like your.
87 grand.
So this is Damien.
87 Grand National.
Just walking behind the counter nonchalant, taking the guy out
I
of...
used to work at the one up on 202.
Used to being the operative term.
What's your point? This is the same same computer system.
Yes, but you're not authorized.
Authorized.
Yeah, see what I gotta deal with, Doug?
Alternator, 87. But at least we have a fucking double flaring tool now
Oh, God.
that somebody doesn't want to use because he doesn't know how. So he uses AN fittings.
It's not that
to
I don't
make
know how to use them.
everything
It's that
easier.
every time you work on it, the tube either slips or the things don't align right.
Well,
or
then your
like,
tube should be a little bit bigger then, huh?
No.
You got the tube in the wrong hole.
You got the tube in the wrong hole. Great.
Where was all that smoke from?
I don't know.
Stay, fucker, stay. I feel like if I yell at him, they'll listen.
Want to bet he switches lanes at the last
We've
minute?
got side curtain airbags, we've got forward curtain airbags, we've got
Holy crap! Did you see the alignment on that thing?
It'll be like a cannoli in here.
Fucking cannolis. Oh my God.
Remember, ask for plates and napkins.
Plates and napkins. Oh, fail.
Please keep your foot on the brake. We're getting sketchy now.
Hold on. You gonna get out of there or?
Come back a little bit more.
Oh God.
A little bit more. There you go.
All right. So since Damien's bitching at me that I'm not recording enough, here we are running the line for the nitrous. We actually got a lot of slack, so all of that's gonna end up in the trunk. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the bottom of these things, but pretty much as a transmission, there's something that looks like a drive shaft in the rear end. I don't even know why they waste their time putting that in there. But yeah, it's a pretty tight setup under here. It's all pretty race car stuff. Anyway. Get down there now.
What we have here is a failure to communicate.
We got a lot more nuts. What we have is a lot more.
Amelia's got his zipper down. He keeps dropping his nuts. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm on the other side of the car paying attention to myself. I've got a whole engine in front of me to protect me. Come on, man. How long of a procedure is this going to be?
Let me put it this way. You can the only you can access that nut is from the top and the bottom, the width of the nut. Okay.
So you're used to that, right? The width of the nut.
Oh god, here we go.
This is what fell out.
What the fuck? No, that's not.
That's the one that was in the carpet earlier.
There's seriously no nut down here.
Better just push it over.
Oh god.
Let me see your flashlight again.
This is all day for freaking nitrous that never got finished, and now a freaking bracket for the brakes, and we're 4 hours looking for one nut.
4 minutes, if that.
Yeah, okay. I've had a birthday since the time you started this. Now I'm 41. Thanks, man.
Did you find it? I just dropped it. It was literally in the little ledge, and then it went down.
So this is what we did earlier. We
Yeah.
put the plate in,
Hmm?
put the nitrous valve in, ran the hose all the way back to the nitrous tank, and we put the fuel solenoid in. Can't see it real well, but the line goes underneath the front of the plate, underneath the carburetor. Put in a T and a new filter that's not glass, because we highly recommend not using the glass ones. They break and then they spray fuel everywhere. And we're back to brake proportion valve 101.
So we're here, still working on the car. Damien over here is doing construction work, popping the fuse, trying to drill stuff in the dark. Got it done.
Get her done.
The camera can't even focus on you, Damien. Anyway.
Did you clear your breaker?
Oh, great.
That's weird though, because I should have popped this one first.
Meh. Fail. Anyways, continuing on. So anyways, it's what time of the night is it now? It is 9:23. Now it's a real party because we got Doug, Bob, Damien, and me over here installing brake line. I don't know if you can see it there, but we're adding a line lock, and we just added the proportioning valve. I'm actually trying to get those lines to look nice. We skipped a lot here. Pretty much we got everything mocked into where it goes. Actually, it's fully installed.
We skipped a lot.
Yeah, we skipped a
No,
lot.
we added a shit ton.
That too. We fixed a couple things that we found that were not up to par. But anyway, line lock, the proportioning valve, the nitrous bottle. Actually, we can show that. Bam. It's a bottle's there. We still got to do all the wiring for the solenoid switches and redundancies. But pretty much that's where that's gonna go. It's gonna have a cover. It's gonna be a little more. What's the word? Inconspicuous? Yeah. But anyway, that's it for this video. Hit the like button.
Like, subscribe.
Huh?
Click like, subscribe. Let me try that again. Click like, subscribe.